Go Vegan! Welcome to the most exciting module in the entire course. In this module, you'll get the 3 options to going vegan for 30 days. The 2 routes. In the beginning, we told you that there are 2 routes to doing this course, Student and Explorer. In the Student route, you do the 7 steps just like a course. You go module by module and learn about veganism gradually in steps 1 through 3, before you take the leap and join one of the Go Vegan routes in step 4. In the Explorer route, you go straight to step 4, start on one of the vegan routes, and do the other steps in your own pace while already eating vegan. The 3 vegan meal plan options. Each of the routes is combined with one of 3 meal plan options. Number 1, the transition plan. We will go 1 week at a time and change breakfast on the first week, then lunch on the second, dinner on the third, and snacks on the fourth. The full-on plan. We will go all vegan for 30 days. The raw vegan plan. Here there are 2 options. Go 80% raw for 30 days or go fully raw for 30 days. In step 3, you get basic tools about how to eat vegan and make meal plans. Don't worry. There's no need to hurry there now. All the meals in this step are already adjusted to the dietary rules that are introduced in that module. There are only 3 things that are important at this stage for you to know, so we'll talk about them briefly. Number 1, fruit for breakfast. When transitioning to a healthy diet, the single biggest health push you can do for your body is have fruit for breakfast. After sleeping through the night for 6 to 8 hours, you can say that the body has been through a bit of a fast. It needs to replenish on water and energy, and the best source for both is fresh whole fruits. They are the easiest for your body to digest and provide valuable nutrients, minerals, vitamins, and energy. Number 2, food combinations for healthy digestion. It's important to keep healthy food combinations to allow sugars to digest properly. The groups we separate are melons, for example, watermelon, honeydew, and papaya, sweet fruit, and all other foods, including non-sweet fruit. If you want to switch between categories, wait half an hour after eating sweet fruit or melons and 1 hour after eating vegetables, nuts, and non-sweet fruit. This allows the fast-digesting sugar time to digest without the disturbance of slow-digesting foods in the stomach. For example, if you are eating a sweet fruit smoothie for breakfast, wait an hour before eating a salad or snack. Number 3, combining sugars and eating fruit whole. For most people, keeping to the basic food combinations is more than enough, but some people like to go one step further and separate acidic fruit, which are citrus, pineapple, and sour fruit, from the super sweet fruits like banana, figs, and dried fruits. In addition, with regards to fruit juices, some people might prefer drinking them with the pulp to best digest fruit sugars. A quick word on detox. You will learn about detox in Step 6, Lesson 2, but it's important that you have a rough idea of what it is, especially if you're going on the raw meal plans. Detox is the process in which the body rids itself of acids, toxins, and parasites, rebuilds cells and organs, and thus cures symptoms permanently. Eating healthy foods not only provides the body with nutrients, but also frees more energy to rebuild tissue. This type of cure is no different than healing from an external or internal wound. As the body rids itself of damaged cells, it creates symptoms ranging from easy flu-type coughing and sneezing to major symptoms which are heavier. Many times, this is hardly noticeable. However, detox can also come in a more condensed form over a few hours to a few days. If you want to control detox, you can go into higher levels by eating more fruit and lower levels by eating more vegetables and cooked foods. Choosing which of the 3 options to take. You may already know which option is best for you. Maybe you're doing Veganuary and you want to go all vegan for a month. Perhaps you want to take it slow and do the transition meal plan. Either way, we encourage you to watch the videos that introduce each plan before you make your decision. You can always change your mind. To make things easy, we'll include all the recipes and all the meal plans in every lesson for your convenience. We hope you enjoy your 30 days of vegan and the delicious recipes that await you.